come along, clap your hands with me. Let's learn shapes together, fun as fun can be. Circle, circle, round and round, no straight lines can be found. Like the sun up in the sky, or a ball that rolls right by. Square, square, strong and neat, four straight sides, four corners sweet. Like a window, like a box, like a gift that's wrapped in knots. Triangle, triangle, pointy top, three straight sides that never stop. Like a mountain, like a tree, up and down, 1, 2, 3. Rectangle, rectangle, long and wide, two short sides and two sides wide. Like a door or book you see, rectangle just like me. Star, star, shine so bright, twinkle, sparkle, day and night. Count the points, 1, 2, 3, 5 bright points for you and me. Heart, heart, lovely and sweet, a shape of love that